ये हमारा 17वां एडिशन है हैदराबाद ज्वेलरी फेयर का एंड हैप्पी टू हैव यू हियर एंड ये हैदराबाद एक बहुत बड़ा बेस बन गया है ज्वेलरी बाइंग के लिए, सोर्सिंग के लिए, बिकॉज साउथ इंडिया का बहुत बड़ा मार्केट है और यहाँ पे देश से सारे कंट्री से सारे बड़े एग्जिबिटर्स आए हुए हैं और ये B2B फेयर है, तो मैन्युफैक्चरर्स है और जो विजिटर्स है वो सारे डीलर, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, रिटेलर्स है। ये सारी नई डिज़ाइन से यहाँ पे सोर्स करेंगे और आपको भी वेडिंग और फेस्टिव सीजन में आपको ये सारी डिज़ाइन देखने मिलेगी। एंड हैदराबाद का क्या बोले, यूनिक ज्वेलरी है, टेम्पल ज्वेलरी, जो यहाँ पे जो कुंदन मीनाकारी वर्क जो होता है वो बहुत वर्ल्ड ओवर जाना जाता है। सो बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल वर्क भी आके ऐसे सोच करते हैं। एक अच्छा बड़ा सपोर्ट है हैदराबाद की लोकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री के लिए, कारीगरों के लिए, टू शोकेस दिस टू द वर्ल्ड। एंड 17 साल से हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं ये हमको गवर्नमेंट का भी एवरी ईयर सपोर्ट अच्छा मिल रहा है। आज भी गवर्नमेंट से रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आए थे। सो एक वी आर हैप्पी एज इन्फॉर्म मार्केट्स इंडिया जो ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं ये शो। वी आर एबल टू पुट हैदराबाद ऑन द ग्लोबल स्टेज ऑफ द ज्वेलरी।
बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ मैं हमारे कार्तिक रेड्डी साहब से कि यहाँ वो 10 साल अभी भी करीमनगर आज कोई शोरूम नहीं था, मुझे मालूम है होलसेल का व्यापारी लगाए हैं, तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ आप सबको और हमारे इंफ्रा मार्केट के हमारे योगेश भाई और हमारे, मुझे थोड़ा बोलने की आदत है, ऑपरेशन हुआ थोड़ा सिर का, तो माफ़ी चाहता हूँ। तो मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ आप सब पत्रकारों का भी और आप सबका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, congratulations to Informa Markets in Hajma, completing 17 years. It's not a joke. You know, more than a decade, doing a continuous show, whether it is flop, hit, less, more. You know, trying hard to give back to the industry. This is the big thing. I think we need to have one big round of applause for that, you know. That is what we require. We need to work continuously to have a success. After 17 years of journey, today I'm proud to say that today our gems and jewelry industry contributes a big share to our country. We need to buy, we need to sell the gold, we need to exchange the gold, we need diamond jewelry, we need pearl. So jewelry is emotional touch to it. It is not only a commodity or it is not only a goods that we wear. It's emotions. And today the gold prices have given so big return. As we know, there is some tensions, wars, because of that the prices are fluctuating. But I'll tell you, the best return is given by the gold in so many years. So all I would request, this is the right time to invest little into the gold. I would request all the consumers who are listening out or who are the retailers who are coming up with the new jewelry stores, please make sure that you buy more stock. And the best part is today, South India. Around 60 to 65% the sale comes from South India, from the gold, diamond and silver, all the categories. So we are all proud to be South Indian, that we contribute in such a big way. So I wish all the exhibitors who are exhibiting across the country, 160 exhibitors and all the visitors, retailers who have come here, wishing them all the best and hope this show will be a super success. And thank you, Mahendra Bhai, always been my dear darling and my dear friend from Hajma and all the association leaders who are sitting. And I was just speaking to one of the most fascinating personality. I love his voice texture. I told sir, your voice is so nice, Kartik Garuji. I think thank you, sir. We have met you today. We are fortunate to have you here today. And wishing all the best. Love you all. Take care. Thank you.
जैसे अभी कैलाश जी ने बोला कि हैदराबाद की इंडस्ट्री चार मीनार में सिमटी हुई थी, I want to congratulate Informa Market for bringing this HAF to Hyderabad, which was started 17 years back as the gateway to the south. And today this show has grown and become one of the premier B2B shows of India. So I congratulate you, and I congratulate you not only for taking this show for 17 years and bringing this to this level. You have been a part of the growth story of Hyderabad, which has been one of the largest manufacturing hubs of India today and able to serve to the entire jewelry chain. What I mean to say is, from manufacturing to the retail segment, today Hyderabad has grown to that level. So congratulations to Informa Market and HMA to partner this show for such a long period. Friends, we are standing in a tough time, very, very tough time. Globally, we are having a lot of challenges. Day before yesterday, an unfortunate thing. I can't say that it is an unfortunate thing overall, because we are fighting for the pride of the country. Somebody came inside the country and they killed innocent civilians. For that we are retaliating, and we are trying to eliminate the terrorists from the earth. So I salute the entire nation's forces for this particular thing. On this particular front, I'll tell you one thing. We have to stay strong, and the precision with which the armed forces have targeted the terrorist centers, that precision is required in gem and jewelry industry. Today, our Prime Minister wants a vision 2047 where India, he wants to see India as a nation which is going to be the world's third largest economy. At that particular point, India today is contributing at 7%. We see Indian gem and jewelry contribution to the GDP at 11 to 12% in 2047. And that is possible with the kind of precision we need in the gem and jewelry industry. With these words, I will say once again a very hearty congratulations to the informal market and all the exhibitors to have that courage to do exhibition in such a tough time. And all the best to all the jewelers and retailers in this time. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the stage and on the audience. This is a 17th, what do you call it as, India's premium B2B jewelry show by Informa Market and Hyderabad Jewelry Manufacturers Association. We are really blessed with all these jewelry shows and all these manufacturers who have been supporting us for last, as of now, we are a group which have been started last 60 years, and this Josa Lucas group, which come from 2001, with 2 stores have been reaching around 62 now all over South, and we have presence in both Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra and Telangana. Again, it is all the opportunity for us to come for all the jewelry shows which is happening pan-India, and congratulate Jewelry Informa Market for coming up with the 17th year, and wishing all the best to all the exhibitors and the retailers who come can source the latest jewelry product which has been displayed. Once again, thank you all.
Shri Karthik Reddy Garu, National Media Panelist, BRS Party with us.
Please don't mind me bending over and speaking. There's nothing wrong with my back. One of the drawbacks of being a little taller and lanky is you have to bend over. Life teaches you sometimes. I was just reminding Chetan, he was bargaining about how trust, of course, क्या बोल रहे थे आप? मैं बता रहा था इनको आपका स्टाइल यहाँ पे पहुँचा दूँ वहाँ मैं आपको वॉइस वहाँ पहुँचा दूँगा. Thanks for the compliments. Ladies and gentlemen, it's absolutely a pleasure, a bank pleasure for me to be part of Informa Markets. आज हैदराबाद का ये Jewelry and Gems Expo, which has been organized so beautifully. It's an absolutely pleasure, and I welcome each and everyone here. And I have to absolutely apologize also. I'm just an hour late. My late father used to tell us all the time, we are Hyderabadis, we work on a 26-hour schedule in a 24-hour day. So आप मेरे को 12 बजे का बोलना था, मैं 1 बजे आता था. 10 बजे का है तो 11 बजे पहुंच जाता था. I apologize, I know it's completely unprofessional. I was stuck somewhere. And I have to put a little blame on the Hyderabad traffic also. The city of Hyderabad, so beautiful, does have come with its own vices, and traffic is one of them. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to request you to give out a big round of applause to the Indian Armed Forces who are fighting on our behalf. And if you actually realize, I was just telling my friend last night, I believe this is the largest aggression India has ever gone into Pakistan, because now we have hit targets apparently in Islamabad, Karachi and Lahore. I'm very proud of what our Indian Armed Forces are doing. Also brace up, it will be a little difficult from now on for a little few months. And everything said and done, let me talk about a little bit of your business, which I don't know much about. But what Gupta Sahab abhi bata rahe the humko. India is maybe a $4 to $5 trillion economy right now. And we are expected to grow around 7 to 8% for the next 25 years. That will put us nearly around where China is right now, at around $18 to $19 trillion economy. And one of the largest growing sectors in any economy when that comes to is gold and jewelry markets. Ladies and gentlemen, whoever have been involved in this market, who have been involved in this business, I request you go more aggressively. Invest more, make new designs, export more, or jada banao. Make sure you own and capitalize that growth India is going to go through. The next 20 years is going to be amazing for India. And we're going to be one of the biggest, if not the first or second biggest economies in the world. People keep telling me, third mein to pakka pahunch jayega India. But I don't think so. The economy of America and China has slowed down to such an extent, they are stuck where they have been for the last decade or so. And we have been growing at the fastest rate. The single largest growing economy in the world is India, at 7 to 8%. And aapka gold or jewelry market jo bhi hai, I'm sure this will grow accordingly with India, accordingly where India is growing. And I hope, I wish, best of luck. You know, people are sitting here. I forgot to take their names and all. Stature mein chote log dikhte hain physically, because whenever somebody stands next to me, they obviously look small. But by profession and in their markets, they're giants and super giants. I hope, I request you lead this company, especially in Montubai. Montubai bolte hain, dekhiye ye kaun hai Montubai. Mahendra Dayal is a good friend of mine. We call him Montubai. He is one of the most important guys in your business in Hyderabad. Hajma has done wonders to what the market is in Hyderabad. I hope you lead by example. Aapke baaki ke bade jo bhi hai, I hope you lead by example. Hyderabad, I have to remind you, I'm a big fanboy of Hyderabad. Obviously, I live here, I've been brought up here. Hyderabad is everything for me. Hyderabad is a place, you know, it is the single largest pharma export city in the world. आपको पता नहीं होगा, USFDA का जो भी ड्रग USFDA में जो अप्रूवल मिलता है, US से ज़्यादा USFDA ड्रग्स हैदराबाद में बनते हैं. So this is one of the biggest, if not the second largest service and IT hub in the country. And it is the biggest movie industry hub in Hyderabad. So Hyderabad has its own good doings. Now I hope Hyderabad does better things and you become part of Hyderabad ka jo bhi hai jewelry market mein. I hope you all grow better, grow bigger. And again, thanks a lot and sorry for being late. And thank you.
Because I can see just one lady, in a whole lane. Of course. But yes, of course. Well, everybody, some women fear fire and some simply becomes it. A big round of applause as I give the stage to Pallavi Madam. Over to you, ma'am.
Thanks, Neha, and for that wonderful introduction. Good evening to all our esteemed guests, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. It's my distinct pleasure to deliver this vote of thanks on the auspicious occasion, the inaugural ceremony of Hyderabad Jewelry, Gems and Pearls Fair 2025. Today marks the beginning of an event that celebrates artistry, craftsmanship and sheer beauty of jewelry, a symbol of elegance and tradition across the ages. First and foremost, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Sri Karthik Reddy Garu, for taking time out from your busy schedule, sir, and gracing this occasion with your presence. Your inspiring words have definitely set a perfect tone for this event. I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you to our very special guests, Mr. Burgess Alukas, Mr. Avinash Gupta ji, Dr. Chetan Kumar Mehta ji for joining us today. I would also like to take a moment to say a big thank you to our supporting partner, High Tech City Manufacturer Association, Mahendra Bhai, Mukesh Bhai, and the entire members who have been our support through our journey over these 17 years. May I also thank Mr. Jagdish Prasad Verma ji, Shri Kailash Sharan ji, Mr. Parasmal Ranka ji, Shri Ashok Jain ji for their unwavering support and joining us in person at this occasion. A very special thanks to our distinguished guests and industry leaders who have travelled from near and far to be with us today. Your presence is a testament to the significance of this show in the jewellery sector. To our sponsors and partners, we deeply appreciate your generosity and collaboration. Your support has been instrumental in bringing this event to life, and we look forward to continuing this fruitful partnership. I would also like to thank my boss, Mr. Yogesh Mazras, and the entire Informa management for the unwavering support and acknowledge the hard work of the entire team, the meticulous work, planning and tireless efforts that have made this event come to life. A heartfelt thank you to all our exhibitors who have showcased their exhibit collection. Your creativity and craftsmanship are the heart of the show, and we are delighted to provide a platform for you to shine. The media and press, thank you for the coverage, for helping us reach a wider audience. Last but in no way least, a sincere thank you to all the attendees. Your enthusiasm and support is what makes Hyderabad Jewellery Show a vibrant and successful show. Thank you once again, and I look forward to seeing you all in September as Yogesh presented our Delhi Gems and Jewellery Fair, which is going to be from 13th to 15th September. And please block your dates for SGF 2026, which would be held at the same venue in the same month. Thank you.